All right, hello, this is Miss Van Loan, and this is Miss Van Loan, and let's talk about creating a portfolio using Google Sites. You're going to need to use your school account. So go to Google and then click the waffle up in the corner and go to Sites. All right, you're going to, we can do a student portfolio. We can do a portfolio, or we can start with a blank website. Let's do student portfolio, see how this goes. Okay, they're going to give you a little tour. Use the insert menu to add content. You can move content, change the size, and crop images. Great. Move things around. Organize your site, drag the content where you want it. Alrighty. Work with others. Share your site and let others edit it. Publish. When you're happy, click publish. That way others can see it, such as your teacher and classmates. Okie dokie, we got it. So for here, let's go ahead and change this image. Right here it says change image. And let's upload one of our images that we're going to use for our portfolio. So I actually have some stuff here on the background. I think it might be kind of nice to use my vector self-portrait, but maybe I want to use my playing cards, maybe I want to use my book cover, whatever your 3 projects are that you choose. And you can, of course, do more than 3 projects. You can put all of your projects from this year if you want. 3 is just the bare minimum. So let's see, I'm going to use this menu to find my vector self-portrait. We'll see how that looks when I put it on the website. Oh, okay, cool. I like that. It's kind of zoomed in, looks kind of cool. All right, please remember, do not put your full name on here. Don't put your last name, just put your first name. Okay, your name. All right. And, well, we're not going to put learning journey. Let's put graphic design 1 portfolio. Okay. About me. I love it. I love how there's an about me. I am, instead of about me, about this portfolio. Let's make it capitals because it's kind of a title. Portfolio. Fabulous. This portfolio showcases my best work from graphic design 1 as a sophomore in high school at Nevada Learning Academy. All right, now obviously you can change this to say whatever you want. All right. And then here, this is perfect. It already has 3 perfectly set up options for pictures. Fabulous. So we'll say vector self-portrait, P-O-R-T-R-A-I-T, playing cards, and what was the last one I picked? Book cover. Fabulous. All right, let's change this picture. Insert link. Replace image. Perfect. Upload. And we're going to choose my vector self-portrait again. And we've got vector self-portrait, so then let's put fall 2020. And then we used Illustrator. Okay, playing cards. Let's add a picture, upload, and that one is called my last name, final project. So I'm going to go find that on my desktop, just navigating here, and click open. I know you can't see that part. There's those pictures, and this is spring 2021. It was January to be specific. And this, you might have done this in Photoshop or Illustrator. This example is from my student work, and I actually made it in InDesign. And I actually didn't make it in spring 2021. This would have been spring of like 2009. So for me, that's pretty old. But you're gonna put what yours was, which will probably be 2021 in January, and it's either gonna be Illustrator or Photoshop. So let's just put Illustrator for you guys. All right, finally, book cover. That was also spring 2021, and that was in Photoshop. Yes, I required everyone to do it in Photoshop. So, oh no, I didn't. It could have been in Illustrator or Photoshop. Sorry, it was the magazine that you guys were required to do in Photoshop. All right, so let's go find that book cover that I have, and that is called Van Loan Blue Green, because I had a couple versions of that. All right, so notice these are all JPEGs, these 3 files that I pulled out. So you cannot use Photoshop or Illustrator files. You've got to export them as JPEGs or PNGs, but the easiest thing to use is a JPEG. All right, and get in touch at, we don't need that. Let's put thank you for visiting my student portfolio. All right, and let's publish it. Okay, we're gonna hit publish, publish your website, web address. So this is gonna be part of nv.ccsd.net, and I don't want this to have your real name in it. So I know it's got Julie, or it'll have your real name. Let's do -gd1-2021. That way it's like your first name, graphic design 1, and then the year. If that doesn't work, then do another dash and put like A or B or C, or put like your favorite number, like mine would be 3. So if it doesn't work with whatever, first name GD1-2021, then add another dash and put something else on there. A letter, a word, or your favorite number. Okay? And who can view your site? It's only going to be people in Clark County School District. So that's what we want to keep. We want to keep it private to our schools. Okay? So then go ahead and click publish. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Now we should be able to preview. So if we click this preview button, it's going to show us what the website looks like when we visit it. About this portfolio. Here's the pictures. Fabulous. Now let's say you wanted to actually look at a bigger version of some of these pictures. We can come back in here, exit preview, okay, and we can insert another page. So click pages and home, classes, activities. Well, let's change this. Let's go to this one. There we go. All right, so now I'm on this classes page. You know what? Let's just delete this. We're going to create a new one. How do I delete? Hide from navigation. Oh, it doesn't let me delete it? Okay, well, we're going to delete some stuff here. We don't need this. We don't need this. We're just going to delete everything over here on the side. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, so all we have is this like header that has my name. And now we're going to add in, so we're going to insert an image, upload, and let's do the vector self-portrait, which is like near the bottom here, right there. And we're going to make it nice and large so that it takes it pretty much, we can see it like full size. Okay. It's still cutting off part of my head. There we go. Okay, I just had to make it even larger. Fabulous. And let's change this to vector self portrait. Okay, so now this page is going to be one page that just shows my vector self-portrait. So let's go back to pages. That's this page right here. So let's name it vector self-portrait. Okay. Can I delete this page? Yes, now I can delete that page. And delete that one. All right, let's go to this activities page. And again, we're gonna delete like everything on here. Oh, that changed the header on everything. My bad. Okay, we'll just leave it, say your first name. So my first name's Julie. Okay, so let me go back to this vector self-portrait page. There we go, now we're there. All right, now let's go to this activities page and we'll change that to be card project. And on the card project, we're going to insert image, upload, and we'll go find that picture of the cards. Open. Let's make that nice and large so it takes up, you know, lots of room. And then you know what? Let's actually add the other page. So let's insert another image, and I'm gonna have to go to my external hard drive where I went and found this. All right, so there's the other page. So that's great because now I can include both pages from the card project, and we'll make that nice and large. Fabulous. Let's go back to pages. We're gonna add one more page. This is for the book cover. Okay, and nothing's on here because that page wasn't created yet, so let's just go to insert, image, upload, and this is back on the desktop. And we'll make that nice and large so that everyone can see. Perfect. We'll publish. Got it. That's great. Publish. All right, let's go preview. Okay. Go back to the home page. Love it, love it. Okay, let me exit. I'm going to show you how to create a link on your main page. Click it, click it. We can highlight, click the link button, and then choose that page. You can do the rest for these other ones, and ta-da, you'll have a fully linked working website. Be sure to hit publish again, and I'm out of recording time. So just be sure to click publish. Thanks guys, let me know if you have any questions. Hey guys, I'm back. It turns out that I do have to continue this video. It cuts me off after 15 minutes, so that's why I raced at the end. So let's take a look at this real quick. If you go back to your waffle and click Sites, it's going to take you to this page right here where you already have your site started, so you can come back to it if you need to. So we just click the site and it takes us here. So where I left off was with I made this a link, but I had not yet made these links. So let's do that real quick just to finish it up. That is the card project, and then the book cover link, book cover project, apply. Okay, so now I have links so that we can see those a little bit bigger, and of course with the cards we can see the second page. This is extra. Let's just delete that. And I don't know what happened to the footer. I don't know where that went. Let's put that in the center. Okay, there we go. Now we did not put a link back to the home page on these other 3 pages. However, you did notice in the last part of the video that if you click the 3 lines, you can then navigate back home from those other pages. All right, now that I have these links all done, we need to publish again. Remember, every time you update something, you have to publish. Okay, so we're good. We're published. Now, copy publish site link. That's what we want right there. So we're going to copy that link, copy link. Now this is when you paste that link into the submission text box for the assignment in Canvas or on the discussion page. Okay, so that's that link right there. Remember, we had the first name dash GD1 for graphic design 1 dash 2021 for the year 2021, and then you might have had a dash A or dash 7 or whatever your favorite number was if that link wasn't available. So that's where we see that we were in the nv.ccsd.net servers, and then you have your specific link and then home for the home page. So if I went to the page for playing cards, you'll see here that the link is dash card project, because that's what we named that site, that page. So if we go back over here, it's named, this is the editing, right? This is the editing page. This is the live website. So on my editing page, I named it card project. So you'll see in the link, it's card dash project. And Google is very, very smart. It knows that we are not web designers or web coders, and so it went ahead and made this all lowercase and put in the dash because, as you may know, you cannot have a space in a web address, so it put a dash in there for us. Okay, and we can go back to the home page, and again, we've got 3 projects. Click on it, see the big version. Okay, now that's what I wanted to show you, was how to get the link. So again, when you're on the editing page, right here, the little picture that looks like a link, click that link, copy it, and then in Canvas, oh gosh, I don't have it up on this, in this web browser. Anyways, in Canvas, that's the link that you're going to submit for your assignment. Okay, have a great day.